Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about the Yogmudra, okay, and which is mostly beneficial to your health, and each Yogmudra is related to one of the five fingers of your hand, and these also represent the five elements, which is the thumb represent fire, index finger represent air, and the middle finger represents space, ring finger represent earth, and the last little finger represent water. Okay, so we will start the few yoga mudras. First one is a Gyan mudra. For that you have to fold your index finger and fold your thumb finger, and the rest of three fingers keep extended, and which helps relax the body. It helps relieve stress, improve focus and concentration, works great for spiritual alignment. And you can practice Gyan Mudra daily for 30 minutes. Now second, Surya Mudra, hold your ring finger and press it with your thumb, which is helps improve vision. It is useful to overcome the kapha dosha in the body by increasing the pitta element. And you can practice Surya Mudra every day for 30 minutes, and the best time is early morning. Third one, Prana Mudra. The Prana Mudra can be formed by joining the tips of your ring finger and little finger with the tip of your thumb. Prana Mudra, as the name suggests, is a source of a vital life force and energy, which is mostly beneficial for the fatigue, stress, and mental tension, sleeplessness, high blood pressure, general disability, low immunity, and joint pain. You can practice Prana Mudra every day for 30 to 45 minutes. Then gradually you can increase the time of practice. And the fourth one is the Vayu Mudra. For that you have to fold your index finger to your palm, place your thumb across the index finger, press the folded thumb gently on the bent index finger. Keep the other three fingers straight but not tight. And this mudra, which helps in balancing the air elements of the body, and it works wonder for the health issues related to arising from joint pain. Vayu mudra practice in Vajrasan or the diamond pose help in digestion after a heavy meal and makes you feel relaxed. And you can practice this mudra for 10 to 12 minutes every day for getting relief from body pain. And the last one is a Varun mudra. For that, place the tip of your little finger on the tip of your thumb and keep the other three fingers straight but relaxed. The pressure applied should be a little one, and which helps for the dehydration, muscle cramp, dryness of skin, and the lack of moisture, dryness in eyes, throat, or mouth. You can practice Varun Mudra for 20 to 30 minutes in early morning. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for upcoming awesome videos. Thank you.